Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down.
Hi Fam! Vanessa here. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you the two beauty machine that I bought in Lazada. Yung isa, it's 856 pesos. Ito siya. Ito yung packaging niya. Nagamit ko na to. Pero just to show you, yung binili kong beauty machine. Well packed naman to. Naka-bubble wrap siya nung dineliver sa akin. And then, di naman siya ganun katagal. Even if overseas siya. I ordered this like July 23. Dumating naman siya ng August 3, na-deliver naman siya agad. So, hindi siya umabot ng 1 month before na-deliver. A facial massager looks like this. May kasamang cord for charging. Kasi pag gagamitin mo na siya, tatanggalin mo na to, of course. Yung purpose nito na naggamit ko pa lang is yung cold. Hindi ko tinatry yung hot kasi natatakot ako na baka mamaga yung face ko, ganyan. And then, syempre, kaya mas ginagamit ko yung cold kasi kapag cold, mas nakaka-minimize or nakakaliit ng pores. And also, one of the function of this one is every time you put moisturizer or gel, lalo na paggabi, it helps sa product absorption ng gel. And also, sabi dito, it shrink pores, relieve fatigue, pulling firm skin, anti-wrinkle, and whitening. Yung whitening, hindi ko pa sure of the effectiveness kung meron natutulong to. Kasi wala naman siyang content na ma-whiten niya yung skin mo. But I think more on minimizes the pores and yung firming, especially if upward yung gamit. Ito, nagamit ko na for a week. I'll show you kung paano ko to ginagamit. Kukuha lang ako ng soothing gel. Para mas makita nyo yung usage ng facial massager, I'm gonna be using the Skin Fit 95% Aloe Vera with Vitamin C. Morning ngayon, pero okay lang kasi it will moisturize my skin. So, yan. What I do is that yung product nilalagay ko dito. So, medyo malamig to kasi lagi ko itong nilalagay sa ref. Ito, i-on ko siya. Yan. Well, i-on niyo siya. Tapos kung gusto nyo cold, dapat cool yung lumabas. Tapos, you press this para mas tumaas yung level ng lamig niya. And then, meron siya nung, pag pinundot mo to, meron siya nung sonic or yung parang nagmamassage siya. Habang meron nung coolness effect. So, yan. Pag ano lang. Di ba naglagay na ako ng gel kanina? Yung ginagamit usually sa mga facial, ganito siya. So, yung mafe-feel nyo kapag ginagamit nyo to is that may additional lamig, saka merong massage level na nagaganon sa skin nyo. Yung parang ganon yung feeling. Yun yung sonic level. Para siyang massage treatment for your face. Nakikita nyo, yung product na nilagay ko kanina, parang mas nag-dry up na siya. Tapos every time I use this, laging upward. If you're gonna choose the ice or cool sensation, be conducive to skin elasticity, keeps your skin resilient, prevents skin allergies and other problems. Then, second, it shrinks pores, lock up moisture, and deep skin reduces the wrinkle, which is true. Kapag gumamit ka talaga nito, madali nag-absorb yung products. And pag nakita mo after you use this, hindi mo makikita yung pores mo na parang open siya. Kasi nga siguro kasi malamig. Then, it relieves muscle ache, relieves skin fatigue, relieves skin tension, relieves skin swelling, and pain. Resist repeated pimple. Hindi naman, wala naman akong effect na nagka-pimples ako habang ginagamit ko to. For the warming effect, it makes the muscle feel warm and comfortable, helps to relax muscles, relieve soreness. Stimulation accelerates fluid circulation and make pores open kapag warm. Di ba pag mainit, nakaka-open ang pores yon. Kaya yun. Pero ako hindi ko ginagamit kasi nga ayoko naman na mag-open yung pores ko. Mag-feel mo naman na habang ginagamit mo ito mag-dry up na yung products na nilagay mo sa face mo. Tapos nag-alarm siya, nag-auto-stop siya once okay na, meaning stop mo na yung gamit mo. Para malinis, every time after ko siya gamitin, nililinis ko yung part na to ng cotton. It's either cotton na basa or wipes. Tapos pupunasan siya ng hindi basa para rin maingatan yung machine. The second item that we're gonna be opening is this Ultrasonic Face Body Slimming Massager Portable Infrared EMS Burn Fat. Basically, this is a machine for massage and slimming. 1,015 pesos. Nagamit ko na rin to twice. Binasa ko lang yung part na medyo, paano siya gamitin, yung ganito. Yung power button, yung EMS mode, infrared mode, ultrasonic mode. Yan yung medyo binasa ko kasi parang yun yung basic na kailangan. This is for body treatment, for arms, waist, abdomen, lower abdomen, hips, foot, and legs massage. Yan. Meron naman siyang illustration there kung saan. Depende sa use or sa gusto mo. Kung waist beauty, kung belly beauty, kung skin beauty, yan. May mga points or topping function na dapat mo siyang gamitin. Okay? So, aside doon, when you open it, meron siyang ganito. They call this sticky electrode pads. Okay, i-connect mo to dito. Tapos kapag gusto mo, ito, dito siya. Kunyari, gusto mo sa tummy. Yan yung gagamitin mo, tapos i-on mo to, tapos sa EMS. Gagano mo siya. I-circulate mo siya. Ito, pag ginamit siya, hindi siya katulad ng facial massager na once you charge it, okay na. Ito, kailangan nakasaksak siya. And then, habang nakasaksak, at na-stick mo na to, ito yung level of intensity sa side. So, H is for high, L is for low. I suggest if it's your first time using this, wag muna kayong gumamit ng high kasi hindi nyo pa alam yung effect. Like, kunyari ako, ang ginagamit ko pa lang is 3. Kasi 5 is the highest. So, hindi ko pa sure. Twice ko pa lang ito nagamit. But, I suggest you do the same kasi nga hindi nyo pa alam yung effect. First, we're gonna press power. Pag may power, may red na siya. And then, sonic. Yung sonic, ano gusto mo, high or low? Kung gusto mo ng high, mas red yung H. Pag gusto mo low, mas red yung low, yung color niya. You choose the intensity level on the side. So, ayan. Ganun lang siya. Slide mo lang. So, ako, I will use, kunyari, number 3 for the intensity level. After adjusting the intensity level, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Pero, wala kang mararamdaman na anything. Pero, you have to put the slimming lotion or gel first. Okay? But if you want the EMS, or infrared, EMS, infrared, and ultrasonic, para multiplied effect, what you will do is that, syempre dapat malinis yung skin, and then use the EMS. So, i-off ko muna to. In-off ko muna. When you use the EMS, i-power mo lang, plus EMS, intensity level, tapos pag may infrared. That's it for today's video. Hope you like it. So that's the 2 beauty products I bought in Lazada na pwede nyo gamitin even if you're at home na hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa mga skincare services. For more videos, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thank you!